Arrived here at the property due to a major water leak and an excessively high water bill. First, we checked the meter. We could see that it was spinning more than I've ever seen before. So I went around, I opened up the sewer cap on the clean out and saw excessive water flowing through there as well. From there, I moved into the laundry room, checked the water heaters, and they have a constant flow cycling through to where they cannot fill up. So the water is flowing into the building and then flowing right back out through the sewer line. So we went ahead and we jackhammered the floor in one bathroom, and the leak was not where we initially found it with the GPS locator. It was just a few feet to the left. So we're now in the process of jackhammering the second bathroom, and the leak is in this location. So once we get the floor opened up the rest of the way, we should be able to get in there and get these pipes repaired pretty quick. So I made entry through the shower pan here. I cut the shower pan out, removed the drywall back behind the wall, and I dug down to the sewer main down here. Now, since then, I turned the water on. We've had some mud flow in, and it's filled in about 6 inches from where I initially dug. But what we found is that the water is coming through under the concrete down here and filling in over here. So at this point, I had to make entry into the next unit over to track the water leak in there. So now we're going to do this. Track the noise down, the water flowing in the line to this pipe here. Okay, and this pipe, and if you look down here in this hole, you can see that the water has been corroding the dirt away underneath this concrete slab. So we are going to jackhammer this entire section out of floor to get access to these pipes underneath that run into the main line. And from there, we should be able to get the repair done and then move on to replacing the new water heaters that were just replaced.